Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into the world of innovation, exploring 10 incredible tools that are designed to make your daily life more efficient, enjoyable, and just downright cool. From smart gadgets to ingenious devices, these tools are here to redefine how you navigate through your routine. Are you tired of the same old routine? Do you crave a little sci-fi magic sprinkled into your mundane Monday mornings? Well, grab your virtual mugs of innovation because we're about to dive into 10 cool tools you absolutely need to upgrade your daily life. These aren't your run-of-the-mill coffee makers or Bluetooth speakers, folks. We're talking cutting-edge tech that'll make you feel like a real-life Tony Stark. So let's dive in. Number 1. The Sleep Savior Smart Pillow with Biofeedback. Say goodbye to counting sheep and hello to personalized sleep solutions. This ain't your grandma's feathered monstrosity. This smart pillow tracks your brain waves, heart rate, and breathing patterns, tailoring temperature, vibration, and soundscapes to lull you into dreamland faster and keep you snoozing soundly till sunrise. Imagine a cool mist breeze gently ushering you into REM sleep, or soothing nature sounds calming your restless mind. It's like having a sleep therapist tucked right under your head. Number 2. The Kitchen Alchemist Molecular Gastronomy. Kit, who needs Michelin-starred restaurants when you've got science on your side? This molecular gastronomy kit lets you unleash your inner Willy Wonka, transforming everyday ingredients into edible masterpieces. Think caviar made from fruit juices, transparent ravioli filled with vibrant swirls of flavor, or even ice cream crafted from liquid nitrogen. Don't worry, safety first. Impress your guests with molecular foams, spherification techniques, and edible gels that'll redefine what food can be. Dinner party? More like a science fair for your taste buds. Number 3. The Urban Gardener's Dream Hydroponic Smart Farm. Forget struggling with finicky houseplants or cramped windowsill herb gardens. This hydroponic smart farm is your gateway to a lush green oasis, even if you live in a shoebox apartment. Imagine leafy greens sprouting under glowing LED lights, monitored and nurtured by a handy app. No dirt, no mess, just fresh vitamin-packed produce grown right in your kitchen. You'll be harvesting microgreens for your morning smoothie and tending to your basil jungle, all while binge-watching your favorite show. Who says you can't have a farm in the concrete jungle? Number 4. The Productivity Powerhouse AI-powered personal assistant. Forget sticky notes and overflowing to-do lists. This AI-powered personal assistant is your real-life Jarvis, streamlining your schedule and taking your productivity to warp speed. Imagine a robot secretary who anticipates your needs, books appointments, reminds you of deadlines, and even flags important emails. Need to brainstorm ideas? Your AI buddy can bounce concepts off you and generate creative content in real time. It's like having a miniature Yoda whispering wisdom and reminders in your ear all day long. Number 5. The Fitness Fanatics Playground Interactive Augmented Reality Mirror. Step aside, boring treadmills and dusty dumbbells. This interactive AR mirror transforms your workout routine into a thrilling, immersive experience. Imagine lunging through fantastical landscapes, battling virtual opponents in a lightsaber duel, or scaling a holographic mountain range, all from the comfort of your living room. The mirror tracks your movements, adjusts the difficulty, and even cheers you on, making every workout feel like a video game quest. Who needs an expensive gym membership when you've got a portal to virtual fitness adventures in your own home? Number 6. The Eco Warrior's Weapon, Air Purifying Biodome. Lamp fight indoor air pollution and add a even local weather conditions. Some apps can even factor in your caffeine and alcohol intake, adjusting your hydration needs accordingly. Number 10. Smart notebooks with digital synchronization. Absolutely! Buckle up, because we're diving into the fascinating world of smart notebooks with digital synchronization. These aren't your average notebooks, they're tech marvels that bridge the gap between the satisfying tactility of pen and paper and the convenience of the digital world. Imagine a notebook that looks and feels just like your trusty Moleskine, but with a hidden superpower. As you write or sketch on its pages, special sensors capture your every stroke and transmit it wirelessly to your smartphone, tablet, or cloud storage. This digital magic happens in real time, so you can see your notes and drawings materialize on your screen instantly. These embedded in the notebook's pages detect the pressure you apply with your pen, capturing the nuances of your handwriting and even the thickness of your lines. Some notebooks use cameras to track the movement of your pen across the page, providing high-precision digitization. And there you have it, folks. 10 cool tools that can seamlessly integrate into your daily life, making it more efficient and enjoyable. Which one caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of technology. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the future.